Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best laptop backpacks. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the laptop backpacks in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best laptop backpacks on the market right now. Coming in at number 5, Fel Raven Conen 15. There's no doubt that Fel Raven Conen bags are among the most popular backpacks for daily use. Personally, I see them all the time in my daily life, and that's for good reason. For around $100, you get a reliable, stylish backpack that's available in almost any colorway you could possibly want. With its throwback design that combines the best of school bag aesthetics with a clean minimalist twist, this is a bag that will please a wide variety of people, making it a good gift option. Its limited 18L capacity isn't suitable for long trips, but its Vinylon F material is surprisingly durable. A friend told me that it survived rainstorms, drops, and plenty more punishment without issue. Since this is a basic bag, it lacks many of the bells and whistles you get from more premium bags, such as a fancy water bottle sleeve or expansive internal organization, so keep that in mind before buying. We should also note that the laptop sleeve maximum varies from model to model, so make sure to buy the 17-inch version if you have a big device. Coming at number 4, Ogo Gambit 17-day pack. For my money, the Ogo Gambit is the perfect function over form bag for daily use. I have owned this bag for several years, lugging it to 3 different continents on countless trips for work, pleasure, and family time. It's endured rainstorms, snowstorms, and more unexpected layovers than I can name, all without showing much wear at all. You can judge yourself from the above photo. The Gambit has 2 major advantages over similar bags: its high capacity and its sheer number of pockets. When traveling, I find it helpful to use its stash pocket and 2 tech pockets to stow must-have accessories like my battery pack and sunglasses, so I know where they are at all times. It's also quite comfortable. I've carried it fully loaded day after day on long trips without any complaint. Its chest strap is particularly helpful for weight distribution, so I definitely recommend using it. However, its large size may not work for your commute or shorter trips. Personally, I often stick a smaller day bag into its recesses to use as our casual go-everywhere storage when we're walking around on a long trip. You really just can't beat its size and performance, and that's why I've used it for years. Its limited laptop compartment size is also worth noting for those who prefer a larger device. The Ogo Gambit is not as cool or visually appealing as other bags on our list, but it gets the job done, and that's why we're recommending it. Number 3, Peak Design Everyday Backpack. Style is ultimately up to the beholder, and we like how this Peak Design Everyday Backpack suits many outfits without drawing too much attention to itself. It's a functional accessory after all. It's also just a really good bag, offering 2 different sizes and 4 different, admittedly basic, color options. I would particularly recommend this Peak Designs bag for photographers, as both models can easily accommodate both camera equipment and a laptop. It's also quite comfortable fully loaded, though I would say that it's not quite as nice in that department as some of our other picks. I can verify it stands up to rain just fine, however, making it a good option for gearheads and tech enthusiasts. The sheer number of interior dividers is really what makes this bag great for tech heads, as it allows easy segmentation of your various hobby equipment. However, some might find them unwieldy, The good news is that most of them are removable. Additionally, these dividers do make the bag significantly heavier than its competition if it's not filled to capacity. Though the Peak Design Everyday Backpack is significantly more expensive than much of its competition, it is fair to say you get what you pay for here, making it the best laptop backpack for those who want a backpack that looks nice but doesn't stand out in a crowd. Coming at number 2, the North Face Jester. There are a few classic school backpacks out there that people often stick to, and many of them are too small or retrograde to recommend to today's high school or university students. The North Face Jester offers a great compromise between aesthetics and utility, offering a large amount of storage space and a lot of colorways that make it a great pick for academic use. Plus, it's a great option if you're on a budget. With its 16-inch laptop sleeve and dedicated tech pocket, this is a bag that allows you to organize your school equipment without much fuss. Designed as a hiking day pack, it also offers quite a bit of utility in that area, with 2 water bottle side sleeves and a bungee storage system on the outside for hauling wet jackets or shoes. That said, its large capacity may not suit every person's frame. Overall, the Jester is very similar to the North Face bag that I used for my entire time in college, and I can't recommend it enough. I have had nothing but positive experiences with North Face as a brand, and I was especially impressed with this bag's degree of comfort and storage space for its modest price. It strikes a great balance between function and form at a very reasonable price. Students would do well to consider it. Number 1. Timbuk2 Authority Laptop Backpack Deluxe. When it comes to the must-have factors we considered for this list, Timbuk2's Authority laptop delivers the best overall balance, making it more than worthy of a recommendation. It's one of the most comfortable bags that I tested, and it even had me wondering if I should swap out my beloved Ogo. See below. I was especially impressed with its nylon build quality and quick stash phone pocket. Its Goldilocks Zone 20L capacity can fit everything you need for a busy workday, day trip, or gym run, and its interior pocket can accommodate up to 17-inch laptops. It has nice extra features like a side water bottle sleeve, an internal key keeper, and an easy-access front pocket for travel. Best of all, it's solidly in the middle of the price range for premium backpacks, making it an amazing bang for your buck. Its 20L capacity isn't suitable for long trips, and the limited color options available might not please everyone, but these are relatively minor complaints in the long run. This really is the best laptop backpack for most people. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best laptop backpacks. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.